Hello everyone, happy to be here. In this video I'm going to generate a random nickname for each user that is started the game in this project, in this multiplayer game. So I have this my own script folder, and inside it I have this script player nickname.cs. Let me add this line void start. We can generate a random number using this this function random.range blah 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 blah. On the start, every time we start the game, we generate a random nickname like this. So network nickname equals to random range. I type the string player plus random.range. This in this random.range take two parameters. First is the minimum number. I will try with 999. No, I will try with 90000, and the second parameter will be 999. No, not 9 but 100. I will start with 100 and end it with 999. So by default, every player in this game will have a random nickname. Later the player will be asked for entering the desired nickname, and if they don't enter the nickname, they will use the random nickname. I'll try to run it here and check out this scene window. You see that player 262. Okay, let me export it as Windows executable. Let's try to see the difference between two players. Each one have an automatically generated nickname. I'm going to run it here, and okay, this one me on Windows executable, that is me on Unity editor, player 938, and what is my player number? Player 706. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope to see you soon on my next videos. Bye bye.